Good morning all. Today's book is called Car, Car, Truck, Jeep. Sing along to the tune of Bar, Bar, Black Sheep. Car, car, truck, jeep, have you any fuel? Yes sir, 3 tanks full. 1 for the red bus, 1 for the train, 1 for the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. Honk, honk, beep, beep, driving down the road, pass by the tractor with its heavy load. There goes a motorbike weaving to and fro, stop at the red light, then zoom, off we go. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, race along the track, pull along the carriages, clack, clickety, clack. Arriving at the harbour by the seaside, hop on the hovercraft, such a bumpy ride. Flicker, flacker, flicker, flacker, what's that in the sky? Look, it's a helicopter buzzing on by. Spot the yellow taxi bouncing up and down, climb slowly up a steep hill on the way to town. Rumble, rumble, scrape, dig, there's a dumper truck. Digger lifts the bucket filled with dirt and muck. Flashing lights and sirens, a police car rushes past. When there's an accident, they must get there very fast. Vroom, vroom, screech, roar on the motorway. It's time for bed now, we've had a busy day. Yawn, sighs the red bus, Z snores the train. Sweet dreams, says the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. The end. Thanks for listening. Look for my next story. Goodbye.